Hey guys, Philo-Which back with another video from CFL-TECH. We're on the desk.net with this media news story, and we'll link it down below if you want to check it out. Now you have Roku annoying its customers. So what's going on here? Roku annoys customers with power on advertisements. The ads automatically play when a streamer first engages with their Roku device. Some customers are threatening to switch to other platforms, so that's not good. Now, of course, when there are changes that interrupt a normal routine, then typical human nature reaction is not a good one usually, especially like when there's software updates and you see the reviews. A good amount of the reviews will say, I don't like it, or this or that. But when it comes to ads, that's a little bit different because it is something viewed as maybe greed, and some of the customers may think, don't they make enough money already? And if you think that way, you are pretty much correct when you look at Roku's revenue and many of the other companies out there in the streaming world. Roku has drawn the ire of some customers by introducing advertisements that automatically play when a streamer first turns on their television sets. Now that's for the Roku TVs, but it's also on the Roku devices, and also it's only select users right now. We tried to see on our devices and it did not pop up, so that was good, but we did want to see if we what it was like from some of the reports out there. Now we have a scroll here from the Roku forum about with some unhappy comments. So scrolling along there, you see some of the comments are not very good. And Roku, I'm sure, is watching this closely, and also, they're doing a small test market right now. And so far, the results of the customer feedback is not good at all. And that's what we would expect because it is, again, ads. And then you have ads to go to more ads. So we already have ads on the home page, already home screen. So if you start up the device and see an ad that you can't really skip through, or can't skip through, not really skip through, you can't, you are not happy about that to start with, and then you get to the home page and then you see more ads. So it can be frustrating, and again, the look is more like greed to a lot of people. So right now we're looking at revenue here of 1.04 billion from subscriptions and advertising just for 3 months last year, the end of 2024. So that's an increase of 25%. So they're doing something right here with the ads and advertisers. They're doing a really good job with that marketing department, and they're continuing onward here. And the goal for any company is to continue to make more revenue, so you can't hate them for that. But, maybe there's a better way to put ads on their system without being so intrusive, especially when you first turn on the device. It may not be a good look right off the bat. It makes the platform look maybe a little cheapened. So I would think they're going to iron this out, see what the test results come back as far as feedback, and so far it's not good. I don't think that will change. So they probably will have to look at some other way to get these ads out to their users, their customer base. They will probably find a way because they're in the business to get a lot of ad revenue. All the streaming platforms, especially that run a lot of free content, are in that game. So do expect them to roll these ads out in some way, shape, or form. It's just a matter of how intrusive they are. And we know that they want to keep the customer base first and foremost is important. They want to keep them happy. So this is very interesting. Have you seen the ads so far with the new startup ads? What are your thoughts on this? If you haven't seen it, or if you have, just in general, what are your thoughts on this? What do you think they're going to do? Do you think they'll lose customers? As some have said, they'll leave the platform. Some people use that quick threat. If they love Roku, they're probably not going to leave. They'll find a way to still work around the ads if they are still annoying, but it is not a good look. So what are your thoughts on this one? We're linking this down below so you can read the article, see what it contains. Interesting stuff. We'll see how this plays out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If it's your first time here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you know when the next video drops on CFL-TECH. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. Philo-Which checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.